Welcome back, brothers. This one's an interesting one. To be honest, I was not expecting this, but we have a special surprise. This car might actually fall off the lift. You better keep left. Turn your car left. Yeah. All right, straight. Now right. All right, you're good. Oh my God, I thought he was gonna hit it. I thought it was coming off the trailer.
I told you I got it.
Yeah.
Place we almost fell off.
So, you see the car, you know what this channel's about. Why is there another Cobalt though?
It's not an SS.
It's not an SS either, as you guys can tell. Definitely not an SS. No bumper, no wing, nothing special. Oh, it does have the small wing, but dude, guys. Well, if you guys know who Chippy J is from the OG original Salvo Brothers videos, he had this car donated to him, so therefore he donated it to us for more content for you guys. So we're gonna be doing a little 2.2 stuff. He got stabbed. Dude, the man's got stabbed, you can't even tell.
Don't show him what that's used for.
Don't worry about that. So yeah, we got a free Cobalt from Chippy J out there in the mainline area. He's been so kind to donate a vehicle to us. And we're gonna fix this bad boy up. Right now it has a leaky fuel line, which Nate is inspired to do so and fix this thing. And then it needs tires, and there's a list of things, but we'll go over that with you guys because I know you guys want to see it, and it'll be all fun adventures and times. And it is a 5-speed too. It's not an automatic. It's got the 2.2 with a 5-speed. And look at that. It already came pre-stickered with the Salvo Brothers sticker. Ha! Look at that. So yeah. You guys ready to see this gem right here? Oh yeah, baby. Look how crusty this engine bay is. This car is actually pretty clean. It's only got about 90,000 miles on it. It's just been sitting for a while. It does have the engine cover. We just took it off because it's completely unnecessary, as you guys know. And it's got a lot of dirt and debris in here. Just needs a little attention. But don't worry about that air filter. Don't look at it. It's probably clean. Okay? There may be a rat's nest in there. We're not sure yet. Don't break the connectus.
Oh, we're good.
It actually looks pretty clean, surprisingly. It's actually pretty nice.
Really clean.
It was definitely replaced. Yo, homies. So, he is currently trying to hot the pump up so we can find out where this fuel leak is. But look how clean this car is. You Cobalt guys know that these things rot out the rockers really bad, especially back here where it's starting to do some of that, but it's not as bad. And over here, starting to do a little bit, but it's not that bad. We're looking pretty good, guys.
This one. It's the only one getting ground.
Fuel pump does work. It's got some leaves and stuff in here. It's drum though, drum in the back. So that's one thing we're fighting with here, boys, and ladies. But yeah, car's not bad. It's just a little, some of the shit's crusty. Yeah, it's definitely crusty in some stuff. Definitely needs a tire, or 2, or 3. Look, the cords are actually coming off over here. So, and it definitely, yeah, I mean, it's crusty. But the fact that it's a donated car that does function as soon as we fix it, just Nate's got to work on that now. And it needs a little TLC, guys, you know, a little TLC. But it'll be fun. It'll be fun. It'll be cool. And the best question is, what do you guys want to see us do? We're definitely going to turbo this thing, but we're also looking for kits. If you guys have any lines, obviously we could do the ZZP kit, but we're thinking maybe eBay, do the non-typical stuff, and do that kind of route, find out what we can do, and see what's possible, see what's cheap, and see what you guys want to do specifically. So let us know in the comments what you want to see, and we can talk more about it. He's getting in the car. He's going up.
I'm big like Lamar. Oh my God, how close.
About to find out what this thing actually does. Look what I just found in the engine bay. Some good old red gold ketchup, yeah! Cycle the key again. Turn it off for 5 seconds and crank it again. Did you? I didn't hear the pump. I'm hearing it up front. This pump don't run.
Crank it.
Well, it's gonna hurt, right?
Crank it. See if it'll start.
It actually might be one of those only.
Yeah.
Naturally. Do it again. Crank it. Oh boy, we're gonna have to charge this battery. So we are currently putting a new battery, since this one looks like it could have been the original or serviced from the factory. Let's be honest, there's no way this battery's 15 years old. But Nate's just picking one that fits and will work, tossing it in so we can test this thing, otherwise we're waiting. Look at this bad boy. It's got the S seat covers. Oop, macking on the lift here. Oh, and it's got a pressure gauge in there from something. All right, we're trying this again with a new battery. Kick it!
Ignition on, don't start it, or don't crank it.
Well, these are a pulse width, so it might not even do anything until it's cranking. Shrunk it. I mean, crank it.
For real?
Yeah.
Change oil soon.
I think it sounds like it doesn't have any compression either.
J cripples off.
Crank it, did you crank it? Okay.
That battery was good.
Is it that dead? Did you check the oil before we tried it? I never looked at the oil. Jake gave us a donor car. Yeah. No, it's pretty clean if I remember correctly.
This car?
Yeah. He donated to the channel.
Oh God, this starter was horrible.
This thing, I don't know how long it's been sitting for. So, what are we gonna do? Turn the headlights off.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Don't do that. This is what we're gonna do.
Oh, we're gonna double dip? Oh, this dude's getting reckless. He's hooking the jump pack up straight to the starter. I like your style. Jeez, that thing is crusty.
All right, give it a hit, Corlin.
Crank it. Yep. Well, it's definitely cranking. I don't hear a fuel pump going. I don't see any leaking fluid that he's told us it does. Well then, dude, he's cranking it. Nate's giving it the juice right now because we have no fuel. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. It's gotta start. Give it the beans. Hold that throttle open.
Again.
All right.
I got one more trick.
Well, I think it's the starter's a little lazy. If it would spin a little faster, do something. Dude, that was a brand new battery we just put in there.
It's a brand new battery from 2018.
Oh. It's a little old. We're gonna try another one? Are you double dipping again?
Sure, the thing.
This dude's double dipping again. You're running the battery out!
These came in the car.
Did they? That's because they knew we were gonna get stuck on the road, so. Came with clips. Oh, you really are gonna double dip. This dude's
He's getting confidence. Look at that look in his
Hey,
eye.
we're trying to keep that battery up to life here, and this guy's running the radio.
Look at his eye.
He's trying to get.
You hear it? He's got confidence. Look at it. Look at his eye. You got confidence?
Sure, you put a big disclaimer. Do not try this.
Yeah,
at home.
just don't do this at home, guys. Putting two batteries in a car.
Wait, what the hell are you doing?
We're double dipping, man. All right, we're totally official. Smells like plenty of fuel. Dude, he's breaking the car already. Come on, you can't be in there anymore. Jeez, he's breaking the radio dials.
Get some spit and gum, put it back on.
Yeah.
Try and crank it.
All right, crank it. Keep the throttle partial crack. Wow, this thing's really. We have the jump pack and two batteries on this thing.
Is there any oil in it?
I thought you checked that already.
What year is it? Is this
checked
about
it
the year Chevy was killing people?
All right, just making sure. It seems sketchy. I know, this dude's got the lights on.
Is there gas in it?
That's why we're shooting it.
The light on not to go on.
Let me record this part. Did this come out the year where Chevy was killing people with the ignition switch?
I fixed it.
Oh, this is one of
It
those.
isn't?
All right, brothers, so that's wrapping up this intro video with the slow bolt over here, the 2.2. We obviously need to be putting a fuel pump in this thing, and it definitely needs a starter too, because with 3 batteries hooked up and it still won't crank, it's definitely an issue. But luckily, we have a donor car that has all of the necessary items that we need. I just gotta get the starter from the old shop and get the fuel pump. We might just actually take the tank and the fuel lines and everything out of that because we need to replace the fuel lines anyway. So if they fit, if they're the same, I'm not sure with the LS versus SS, I'm pretty sure they are, but if they are, we're definitely gonna put them in. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about this car and what you would like to see us do on it, because this is just gonna be a mess around car. We're gonna do some wild stuff. We're gonna do a turbo kit. I think I mentioned it already. Let me know what turbo kit you guys think we should put on it, because I've been looking around, we've found a couple, and I'd like to see what you guys think. But other than that, like the video, subscribe, and I will see you later.